Hi everyone, this is our first lab. For this lab, first go through the get started with ArcGIS for lesson from history link and then follow the instructions as given. First, we want to create a project. For that, in step 1, start ArcGIS Pro, and if prompted, sign in using your ArcGIS organizational account. In step 2, under new project, click map. In step 3, for the name, you can replace the existing text with new name such as Singapore Tourism. And then make sure that create a new folder for this project is checked. In step 4, click OK. Now the first thing that we want to do is to navigate to Singapore. For that, in step 1 on the ribbon, click the map button. And in step 2, in the inquiry group, click the locate button. In step 3, in the locate pane, type Singapore and then press enter. You can see that the map automatically navigates to the country of Singapore. Now you can close the locate pane. In step 5, above the ribbon on the quick access toolbar, click the save button. Now the next thing we want to do is to add the data. For that, in step 1, on the ribbon on the map tab in the layer group, click the add data. In step 2, in the add data under the portal, click ArcGIS Online. In step 3, in the source bar, type Singapore owner loan ArcGIS and then press enter. In step 4, you can click Ctrl A and then select all these layers together and then click OK in step 5. By doing so, all these 3 data layers will be added together in the same map. In step 6, on the map, point to the downtown Singapore and then zoom in until the downtown area will take up most of the map. In step 7, you can drag the map to pan it until central business district is in the center of the map. And in step 8, on the ribbon, on the map tab in the navigate group, click bookmarks. And then you can choose new bookmark. And in step 9, in the create bookmark, for name type Central Business District. In step 10, click OK and then you can save the project. Now we want to style the map. In step 1, on the map tab in the layer group, click base map and choose dark gray canvas. As you can see, after doing so, the base map changes. Now in step 2, in the contents pane, uncheck the dark gray reference checkbox. In step 3, in the contents pane, click the tourist attractions layer symbol. In step 4, in the symbology tourist attractions pane, go to the gallery tab and then search for hairpin. Choose the largest hairpin, for instance 40% symbol, and then after that in step 5 you can choose the properties. In step 6, click the Layers tab. In step 7, for the outline color, choose Arctic White. In step 8, change the outline white to 0.7 and then change the size to 22. In step 9, at the bottom of the symbology pane, click Apply. You can see the new symbology is added. And then in step 10, close the symbology pane and then you can save your project. Now we want to determine the proximity. For this, in step 1 on the ribbon, click the Analysis tab and in the Geoprocessing group, click Tools. In step 2, in the Geoprocessing pane in the source bar, type Spatial Join. And then we want to click the first source result, Spatial Join, and use the Spatial Join tool. In step 3, for target features, choose tourist attractions. For join features, choose rail stations. And for output feature class, in step 4, click the text box and replace it with tourist attractions join. For match option, choose closest in step 5. In step 6, expand the fields. And in step 7, click Shape Area Length. Click Shape Area and then click the Remove button. And in step 8, remove the Shape Length field in the same way as you did earlier and then click Run in step 9. In step 10, in the Contents pane, right-click the Tourist Attractions Join and then choose Attribute Table. The attribute table will open with various informations. If necessary, you can scroll and then look through various fields and columns. It gives information about address, and there are also information about various names of the tourist attraction sites. And in step 12, you can close the table after observing. In step 13, in the Contents pane, right-click the tourist attractions layer and choose Remove, since we no longer require it. In step 14, click the Tourist Attractions Join name to select it. Click it again and you can then rename it. Change the name to Tourist Attractions. And then press Enter. In step 16, save the project. Now we want to export a table. For this, in step 1, in the Contents pane, right-click the Tourist Attractions and then go to Data and then choose to export table. In step 2, for output table, click the Browse. And in step 3, click Folders and double-click the Singapore Tourism. In step 4, for name, type Tourist Attractions and make sure that the extension is .txt in step 4. And then in step 5, click the Save In step 6, expand the fields. In step 7, for the field map, click the join count and you can remove it. Remove the target FID in the similar manner. In step 8, click OK. In step 9, in the contents pane, right click the tourist attractions.txt and then choose remove. Now you can close the geoprocessing pane and save the project in step 10. The next thing we want to do is to label our features. For that, in step 1, in the contents pane, click the tourist attractions layer to select it. Now the layer is selected. In step 2, on the ribbon, click the labeling tab, and in the layer group, click the label button in step 2. Now the layers are enabled for the layer. In step 3, in the label class group, for field, choose object ID. In step 4, for the text symbol group, change text symbol font size to 8 point and then text symbol color to Arctic white. In step 5, in the label placement group, click centered point. The labels will be updated on the map as well. In step 6, in the label placement properties button, click it, and in step 7, click the conflict resolutions tab. And after that, in step 8, expand the on place label section and check never remove place overlapping. And then in step 9, click symbol, and on the general tab, expand the position section and change offset Y to 2 point. In step 10, click apply. After doing so, the labels will move up slightly. And then in step 11, close the label class with attractions pane and remember to save your project. In step 12, in the contents pane, double click the map, and in step 14, on the general tab, for name type central business district and then click OK.